what we're given a bunch of points. This is for line H. Okay, so we are said that line K is translating H down 5 units. So let's go ahead and calculate the equation for line H. Okay, how do we do that? We can go into take the slope is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Go ahead and assign your points. So let this be x1 y1, x2 y2. So this will give us 160 minus 130 y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 23 minus 18. So what does that give us? That gives us the slope of, this is 30 divided by, so 5. So that is 6. So the m of line H is 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the equation from the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Let's go ahead and substitute any one of these points. 130, 18, 130, it would be fine. So 18, 130 is the point I'm going to substitute with. So y minus 130 equals, the slope is 6. We just calculated that, x minus 18. Okay, go ahead and distribute that. So we get 6x minus 108 when we distribute, and that is equal to, let's go ahead and bring this 130 to the other side. So y equals 6x 130 minus 108 gives us 22 plus 22. This is the equation of line H. Now remember, line K is translated 5 units down. So 5 units down gives us the line K. Okay, so what does that give us? So we have y equals 6x plus 22 minus 5, because it's a translation downwards. So that's going to be plus 17. So let's go ahead and calculate the x-intercept. Now that's what we need to know of line K. X-intercept is when y value is 0 is 6x plus 17, and basically 6x equals negative 17. 6x equals negative 17, x equals negative 17 by 6. That's the x coordinate of the intercept. So the answer is going to be negative 17 by 6 comma 0 is the final answer. So that is represented by choice D is the correct answer. Okay, let me know, and we are going to solve it using the Desmos calculator in just a minute. All right, okay. Let's use the Desmos calculator to solve this now. So I put my points and I put a plus, I click the plus here, and then use the table option and put the points. Once you put the points, go to the next line and put this y1 and put the squiggly or tilde m x1 plus b. When we do that, it's going to take this data and then give us the m and the b value. So now we can write our equation, y equals 6x plus 22. That's this line right here. And then remember, our k line has gone down 5 units, so subtract 5, minus 5. And then go ahead and select the x-intercept right here, this point, and that gives us negative 2.833, which is the same answer that we received using algebraically. All right, I'll talk to you next week. Have a nice day. Bye.